Escanaba County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Owensville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Sullivan around 9:20 p.m. Miramiguo Park around 9:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Oak Hill, Japan, Stanton, Noza Mill, Piney Park, Moselle, and Robertsville. This includes the following state parks: Robertsville State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 225 and 253. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe thunderstorm warning.